Welcome to Chapter 8 of Atomic Habits by James Clear. This chapter is titled, How to Make a Habit Irresistible. So far, we have learned how to make habits obvious and how to design our environment. Now, James Clear explores a powerful idea. To build lasting habits, we need to make them attractive. Why? Because human brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. If a habit feels enjoyable, we are much more likely to repeat it. James Clear introduces the concept of temptation bundling. Temptation bundling means linking a habit you want to form with an action you already find enjoyable. For example, you might listen to your favorite podcast only while exercising, or watch a TV show only while folding laundry. By pairing a habit with something attractive, you create a positive experience that your brain looks forward to. Here are a few simple examples. If you want to read more, allow yourself to enjoy a special coffee only when you read. If you want to build a habit of jogging, reward yourself with a favorite song playlist only during your run. If you want to learn a language, combine study time with a treat, like a tasty snack or a relaxing drink. This pairing makes habits feel less like chores and more like moments of joy. Another key point is that our brains crave dopamine, a chemical released when we anticipate rewards. If a habit is connected to a reward, our brains release dopamine, making the habit more attractive. Even the anticipation of a reward can make a habit easier to start. James Clear also revisits the idea of habit stacking from earlier chapters. This means attaching a new habit to an existing one. For example, after you brush your teeth, you might do 5 minutes of meditation. After you pour your morning coffee, you might read a page from a book. By stacking habits, you create a chain of positive behaviors, each cue triggering the next. To summarize Chapter 8, making habits attractive increases the chance you'll stick to them. Use temptation bundling. Pair habits with something enjoyable. Understand that dopamine motivates habit formation through anticipation of rewards. Combine habit stacking with temptation bundling to build strong, lasting routines. Thank you for listening to Chapter 8 of Atomic Habits. In the next episode, we will explore the idea of making habits easy, the third law of behavior change. We will learn how to reduce friction and make good habits effortless. Until then, try pairing one habit with something you enjoy. Make your habits irresistible and watch how your life begins to change.